Okay, we've got a user manual for the Tesmen Smart Digital Multimeter. Got a nice little case here, zippered case, really nice. Got all the attachments here. Got the battery, got all the probes. We got the multimeter itself. Nice looking little all digital. A little different from the analog where you had to turn to get all your adjustments. We're going to try and get this little Phillips screw out of here. See if we can get the cover up on it. There we go.
Those are AAA?
They are. There's 4 of them in a package. Okay, there's that. Put that in here. Okay, with the Tesmen unit here, we're going to turn it on. We're going to hit select. We'll hit function. We're doing a test on continuity. This is a typical speaker wire. We're just going to do a little demonstration. This wire with the white on the line, we're going to hold one in here, and one in here, and you can see that we have continuity. Now, here goes how long this wire is. If there was a break in the wire, just like that, if I was to do the continuity test just like I did, we don't have any continuity. So you could use that in any kind of instance. Speaker wires, all kinds of cabling, anything. You're only limited to the length of the 2 probes. On the select button, as you can see over here, I'm going to switch it from DC to AC. AC is like what you've got in the house current. And we're going to see what kind of voltage we've got in here. Well, we're looking for 120 volts. Has a very difficult time finding it.
There's 123.4.
Yeah. Display. We're going to check this 1.5 volt AA battery. Now that's alternating current like it's in the house. This is DC. This is direct current like a battery. All right. We've got a positive and negative. We're going to set this battery negative on the negative, and we're going to take this positive and take a reading. And we have 1.37 volts in this battery. So this battery is a little bit low. May even been a used one. Got it out of the drawer in there. So that works just really perfect. Now I like that select button. You can go from AC to DC real quick. I like the way it's got this kind of a neoprene cover. It's got a stand on it where you can put it out there and you can see it really well. Overall, it's a nice unit. It's multifunctional. Yeah, I kind of like it.